What's this we've got? Oh God, another one. I don't even know who's even from, to be fair. Let's have a look. That's another YouTube viewer. Folded the customer details out of the way so you know who it's from. Dear Ian, thanks for agreeing to look at this Solar Iboost Plus, which was working okay until recently when the boost button was pressed and then it stopped working. I would be grateful if you could give an indication of the cost of repairing, see if this is viable or should we buy a new one. Right, so what's blown on this, I wonder? Should we get it opened up and see if what can... Right, this looks generally unhappy inside. What the hell's going on here? Someone's been busy. Well, I think with only visible holes in, surprisingly enough. It's weird, this is. Yeah, the readings are all over the shop. So I've got a load of good readings for everything, so I can compare it, and yeah, like the readings on everything is just weird as hell. The thing is that all this flux everywhere. I don't know whether someone else has been changing stuff or what's been going on with it. Strangely, it's not blowing the fuse. So the fuse is fine on it. So I just plugged it in just then and it definitely doesn't come on. Yeah, it's our jolly friend, the bridge rectifier, that's gone on it, look. That's weird, isn't it? I don't know how on earth it's not blown the fuse. I have really no idea, but there you go. So, yeah, should get the bridge rectifier replaced. And then have a look at these as well. I don't think anything else is blown, but I don't know if it's a refurb unit or what, but it's like, I don't know why people can't clean flux up. What the hell? Just noticed that as well. Why is that? Yeah, that's not looking very healthy either, is it? There we go. Bridge rectifier all replaced. So, test it now. And we're on. So, just need to put it all back together. That's another one repaired. I think I'll rename myself the Iboost guy, because as I say, I've got millions of them. I've got another one or two coming in the post as well. There we go. There we go. That one's all ready to send back. That's another one to do. And I've got another one to do in a second as well. What have we got here? Oh yes, it's another one. It's the message. So, let's open her up, see what's going on. It's got it open now. Yes, that really doesn't look very happy. Bridge rectifier is giving weird readings. I've got short on that side. I don't know whether it's the bridge rectifier or it's something causing the bridge rectifier to be shorted, so it's probably something to do with one of these, probably that diode, or it could be the IGBT or something. Yeah, so both legs of this are showing as short, so that's not, should not have a short there. Just cut it off the board and yep, that's short. It's been getting rather hot. Fuse is also gone. IGBT also appears to be bad, because there shouldn't be a short there either. Wow, they've done a good job on this, I tell you that. So that's short. That diode's also short. I mean, that diode's open circuit even. So, like, there's nothing across that at all. Well, in my stash of parts, I've got one IGBT, and that's it. So that's useful. Alright, fast forward, and we've now got parts. Whee! Right, so change that, change that, change that, change that. Hopefully it works now. There we go, she's alive and kicking once again. So we can now get it back together and send back to the customer. There we go, all back together, ready to send back. Got another one, and there's another one, so I've got millions of the things. But yeah, another successful repair.